Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about lemons. Lemons can naturally sanitize, deodorize, whiten and brighten all sorts of objects and surfaces around your house. So in order to help spread the word about this highly useful fruit, I've put together a list of my 10 favorite ways to use lemons. By the end of this list, you'll see how much this little citrus fruit can do. So let's get started. First, wash your fruits and vegetables. Some of the produce we buy, if it's not organic, is covered in unwanted pesticides. Don't risk ingesting these chemicals. Instead, add a few drops of lemon to a bowl of water and wash your fruits or veggies before you rinse them off. The antibacterial properties and citric acid combine to create a potent lifting solution. Lemon is a great natural disinfectant that is incredibly effective, but it won't harm your produce or change the taste. Dry with a soft cloth and enjoy. Second, put a lemon wedge in the dishwasher. Place a lemon wedge on the top rack of your dishwasher, skewered on a plate wire or in the cutlery department, and run a normal cycle. The lemon will help freshen the load with a lovely smell, but more importantly, it will leave your dishes sparkly. Third, make an all purpose cleaning solution. If you hate the strong and nasty smell of vinegar when used for household cleaning, then try this method and your house will smell very citrusy and not vinegary at all. Don't throw out those lemon peels, save them and make this awesome smelling kitchen cleaner. As you use up different types of citrus, save the peels instead of throwing them away. Add these peels to a large mason jar. Once the jar has enough peels, pour vinegar over the peels. Cover your jar with a lid and allow it to sit in a dark place for around 2 weeks. The longer you let it sit, the more the citrus will infuse into the vinegar. After 2 weeks, strain your citrus cleaner using a fine mesh sieve placed over a large bowl. Discard the peels. Add your citrus cleaner to a spray bottle and use it as you would any other multi-purpose cleaner to clean your kitchen surfaces. This spray will lift even the toughest stains and leave your home smelling incredibly fresh. I personally like to clean my baby's high chair with this non-toxic all-purpose cleaner, and I am so assured that he's not ingesting any harmful chemicals. 4. Deter insects. Lemons can be used to repel pesky insects in your home. Squeeze some lemon juice into the holes and cracks where you see ants coming in, and they'll avoid the area in the future. I like to spray the citrus multipurpose cleaner that we just made. I make a big batch and use it everywhere pretty much, on the window sills, door entrance, or any place from where bugs enter. Insects, including ants, spiders, and cockroaches, are highly sensitive to smell, so if you spray the areas that they tend to appear in, you will deter them from even trying to cross your threshold. Number 5. Keep houseflies and fruit flies away. Cut lemon in half and stick about 10 to 15 cloves to it and keep it in a fruit bowl or on the kitchen countertop, and no house fly or fruit fly will wander around your food. I have experimented this method in India in monsoon season, and trust me, it works. I'll leave a link to how to get rid of flies video where I've experimented different method, but this one was the best. If you are interested, I'll leave a link in the description box for you guys. Number 6. Clean the glass. Choose the amount of fresh lemon juice that you need to clean based on the state of your windows. The grimier they are, the more lemon juice you will need. For regular window cleaning, mix several tablespoons of lemon juice into a cup of water and then spray it on the glass. Wipe off the liquid with a newspaper for an ultra clear, streak-free shine. Please note here, do not use the multipurpose cleaner that we have made here, because it will have the lemon essential oils extracted from the skin of the lemon and it will make your glass very foggy. So just remember, fresh lemon juice and water does the trick. Number 7. Clean metals like copper, brass, silver, and stainless steel. Create an exfoliating scrub for your brass, copper, and silver by cutting a lemon in half and dipping it in salt. Rub the lemon on your metal to get them sparkling once again. Rub kitchen and bathroom faucets with lemon peel. Wash and dry with a soft cloth to shine and remove spots. To clean kitchen sink, grab some salt and sprinkle it over a damp sink. Then rub half a lemon over the top, being sure to get into all the corners. It will remove discoloration and the juices will also help the drain stay smelling fresh. Number 8. Clean the microwave. Pour half a cup of water into a small microwavable bowl. Cut a lemon in half and juice into the bowl. Drop the lemon halves into the bowl too. Microwave for around 3 to 5 minutes or until the water boils. Leave the bowl to stand for about 5 to 7 minutes without opening the door. The steam and juices from the hot lemon water will help loosen any gunk from inside of the microwave, so you can take a sponge to it and give it a quick wipe down. If you come across any stubborn bits, just use the lemon water and sponge to puff them away. Your microwave will be clean and lemon fresh in no time. Number 9. Clean the blender and the kettle. If your blender carafe suffers from a little hard water built up, blend a lemon with a little dishwashing soap and water to get it sparkling again. Clean the mineral buildup on tea kettle and coffee pots by boiling lemon slices in the pots. Allow the mixture to sit for an hour or two and then rinse and dry. Number 10. Make lemon lavender candles. This is one of my favorite lemon DIYs. To make the candles, slice the long side of the lemon to create two halves. Remove the pulp from the inside. If the knife doesn't work, grab a spoon. To make the lavender candle filling, pour about 1 cup of candle wax into a jar and microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. You may need to stir in between. Add dried lavender and lavender oil. I had lavender oil, so I'm using it here, but it's best to use lavender essential oil. Stir all the ingredients together. Insert the candle wick in the center of the candle and then pour the melted wax, and your lavender lemon candle is ready. So guys, these were my top 10 uses of lemon in household cleaning, except the candle bit, but I had to include it as these candles smell amazing. I hope you give these ideas a try and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.